The cash flow statement shows how cash moves in and out of a business over a specific period. Unlike profit-based statements, it focuses only on real cash transactions. This makes it one of the most reliable tools for understanding financial health. Investors use it to determine whether a company generates enough cash to sustain operations, pay obligations, and invest in growth. Even profitable companies can fail without sufficient cash flow, making this statement essential for evaluating stability, liquidity, and long-term business sustainability. Cash is the foundation of every business. Without it, companies cannot pay employees, suppliers, or lenders, regardless of how profitable they appear on paper. The cash flow statement helps investors identify whether a company has enough liquidity to operate smoothly. Strong cash flow allows businesses to survive downturns, seize opportunities, and remain flexible. Weak cash flow, on the other hand, can lead to financial distress. Understanding the importance of cash helps investors avoid companies that may appear profitable but lack real financial strength. The cash flow statement is divided into three main sections: operating, investing, and financing activities. Each section reveals how cash is generated and used in different areas of the business. Operating activities focus on core business operations. Investing activities reflect long-term asset decisions. Financing activities show how the company raises and returns capital. Together, these sections provide a complete view of financial strategy, helping investors understand how effectively a company manages its cash and supports both short-term operations and long-term growth. Operating cash flow represents cash generated from a company's primary business activities. It includes cash received from customers and payments for expenses like wages, rent, and utilities. This section is crucial because it shows whether the company can generate enough cash from its core operations. Investors prefer companies with consistent and strong operating cash flow, as it reflects efficiency and sustainability. Weak operating cash flow may signal underlying problems, even if the company reports strong profits. Profit and cash flow are often confused, but they are very different. Profit includes non-cash items and accounting adjustments, while cash flow reflects actual money movement. A company may report high profits but still struggle with cash shortages if revenue is not collected on time. Investors compare profit with operating cash flow to evaluate earnings quality. Strong alignment between the two suggests reliable performance, while large differences may indicate potential financial concerns or inefficiencies. Non-cash items such as depreciation and amortization reduce accounting profit but do not involve actual cash outflows. In the cash flow statement, these expenses are added back to net income to reflect real cash generation. This adjustment provides a clearer picture of liquidity. Investors analyze these items to understand how much of a company's profit is supported by actual cash. High non-cash adjustments may sometimes mask underlying performance, making careful analysis essential. Working capital changes have a direct impact on cash flow. When accounts receivable increase, cash decreases because payments are delayed. When inventory rises, cash is tied up in unsold goods. On the other hand, increasing accounts payable can temporarily improve cash flow. These changes reflect how efficiently a company manages its operations. Investors closely monitor working capital to identify potential liquidity issues and ensure the business can convert its activities into actual cash effectively. Investing activities involve cash used for buying or selling long-term assets such as property, equipment, or investments. Negative cash flow in this section often indicates expansion and future growth. Positive cash flow may result from selling assets, which is not always sustainable. Investors evaluate this section to understand how a company invests in its future. Strategic investments can drive growth, while poor investment decisions may reduce efficiency and profitability over time. Capital expenditures represent spending on long-term assets that support business operations and growth. These investments include purchasing equipment, upgrading facilities, or expanding production capacity. While capital expenditures reduce cash flow in the short term, they often lead to increased revenue in the future. Investors analyze whether these investments are productive and aligned with company strategy. Efficient capital spending helps build competitive advantages, while excessive or poorly planned investments can strain financial resources. Financing activities show how a company raises and uses capital from investors and lenders. This includes issuing shares, borrowing money, repaying loans, and paying dividends. Positive cash flow may indicate new funding, while negative cash flow often reflects repayments or returns to shareholders. Investors analyze this section to understand the company's financial strategy. A balanced approach to financing supports growth and stability, while excessive reliance on debt may increase financial risk. Free cash flow is the cash remaining after covering operating expenses and capital expenditures. It represents the money available for reinvestment, debt repayment, or returning value to shareholders. This is one of the most important metrics for investors because it reflects true financial strength. Companies with strong and consistent free cash flow are generally more flexible and stable. Negative free cash flow may indicate heavy investment or financial pressure, depending on the context. Cash flow matters even more than profit in many cases. A company can show strong profits but still face serious problems if it cannot generate cash. Delayed collections, high expenses, or inefficient operations can create gaps between profit and cash flow. Investors analyze this relationship to assess financial stability. Strong companies consistently convert profits into cash, ensuring sustainability. Weak conversion rates may indicate underlying inefficiencies or potential financial risks. The cash flow statement helps investors assess liquidity by showing whether a company can meet its short-term obligations. Strong operating cash flow ensures that expenses, salaries, and debts can be paid on time. Weak liquidity may lead to financial stress or disruptions in operations. Investors rely on cash flow analysis to evaluate whether a business can maintain smooth day-to-day activities. Understanding liquidity is essential for identifying financially stable companies. Solvency refers to a company's ability to meet long-term obligations. Cash flow plays a crucial role in determining this. A company must generate enough cash over time to repay debt and sustain operations. Investors analyze cash flow alongside debt levels to assess financial risk. Strong and consistent cash generation supports solvency, while weak cash flow combined with high debt may signal potential problems. This analysis helps investors evaluate long-term stability. Positive cash flow means a company generates more cash than it spends, while negative cash flow indicates the opposite. However, negative cash flow is not always a bad sign. It may reflect investments in growth, expansion, or innovation. Investors must analyze the reasons behind the numbers. Consistently negative cash flow without clear benefits can signal financial trouble. Understanding the context helps investors make better decisions. Analyzing cash flow trends over multiple periods provides deeper insights than looking at a single snapshot. Consistent growth in operating cash flow indicates a stable, efficient, and well-managed business. On the other hand, frequent fluctuations or declining trends may signal volatility, operational inefficiencies, or changing market conditions. Investors track these patterns to understand long-term performance and sustainability. A company with steadily improving cash flow is often better positioned to handle challenges, invest in opportunities, and deliver consistent value to shareholders. Certain cash flow patterns can act as warning signs for investors. Declining operating cash flow, increasing reliance on external financing, or large gaps between profit and cash flow may indicate underlying problems. Consistent negative cash flow without a clear growth strategy is another red flag. Investors carefully analyze these signals to avoid risky investments. Identifying issues early helps protect capital and ensures better financial decision-making. Although the cash flow statement is a powerful tool, it has certain limitations that investors must understand. It does not directly show profitability and cannot provide a complete financial picture on its own. Timing differences in cash transactions can also create temporary distortions in the data. For a comprehensive analysis, investors must combine it with the balance sheet and income statement. Recognizing these limitations helps prevent misinterpretation and ensures more accurate financial evaluation. In summary, the cash flow statement explains how cash is generated and used across operating, investing, and financing activities. It helps investors evaluate liquidity, solvency, and overall financial strength. By analyzing free cash flow, working capital changes, and long-term trends, investors can identify strong and stable businesses. Mastering this statement provides a deeper understanding of real financial performance and supports smarter investment decisions in both short-term and long-term scenarios. Next up is financial ratios explained. In the upcoming video, we will break down key ratios that simplify financial analysis and make complex data easier to understand. You will learn profitability ratios such as return on investment, return on equity, and profit margins. We will also explore liquidity ratios like the current and quick ratio, along with efficiency ratios including asset turnover and inventory turnover. These tools help investors compare companies, evaluate performance quickly, and make more informed decisions.